Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to set voice character in your CapCut. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your CapCut. Now select any video, write any text. Now if you want to add any voice character, then press on text to speech. You can select any voice character from this. You can adjust it. That's it. So this is how to set voice character on a video in CapCut. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.